What is solar energy? Solar energy is energy from the sun that can be used to provide electricity. There are many ways that solar energy is collected and stored. Some homes use solar energy for heat. Did you know in just 1 hour, the Earth gets enough sunlight to light the world for a year? Solar cars use energy from the sun. Some cars even run on solar energy. Panels on the tops of these cars collect the sun's energy and turn it into electricity. The batteries in these cars store energy from the sun, just like gas tanks store gasoline in gas-powered cars. More uses for solar energy are being discovered every day. Maybe one day, everything will be powered by the sun. Solar energy just might be the way we heat our homes and schools and run our computers and washing machines. This solar power plant captures the sun and turns it into energy for people to use in their homes. Glossary. Carbon dioxide, a colorless, odorless gas that is found in the atmosphere. Equator, the invisible line that divides the Earth in half widthwise. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants make carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and water. Index, energy, pages 8, 20 through 22. Equator, page 17. Gas,